Hi guys, today on Divas and Cook we are making one of my favorite lemon desserts, and I am talking about lemon bars. If you are a lemon fan, then this one is for you. They're quick, they're easy, and they are so addictive. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start by making a lemon shortbread cookie crust. I'm gonna add my butter into a large bowl, followed by a little bit of powdered sugar to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. Not too much though, we don't want it to be a sweet crust. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just stir this up. You don't have to break out your mixer, just get like a spatula and stir it all up until it is creamy like that. Okay, that looks good. And now it is time for our vanilla extract. Go ahead and dump that in there. And I'm also going to add in some lemon extract because this is a lemon shortbread cookie crust. So we wanted to really have that little pop of lemon. Not too much, just a little bit of, lemon vibes. Go ahead and stir that up. And next we're going to add in some flour. And I've already mixed in a little bit of salt with that flour. Go ahead and just stir this up. And I almost forgot, I cannot forget my lemon zest. Yeah, a little bit of lemon zest in the crust. That's good. All right, so that's my lemon zest going in. We're gonna stir this all up until a dough begins to form. A very soft dough begins to form. Takes a little bit of work now, okay? You gotta get the little elbow grease in there, but it will come together and you will have this little doughy cookie crust like that. And now we can go ahead and dump this into our prepared pan. I lined it with some parchment paper and I left the sides kind of long so I can easily lift my bars out of there. Now go ahead and press. Get it nice and even. Make sure you really press those sides and corners really good because you don't want them to have any gaps or spaces because we don't want that filling to kind of seep down up under it. We don't want that. So make sure you really pay attention to those sides and corners and get everything really packed down in there. Okay, so that looks good. Our crust is nice and flat and packed down. We're gonna bake it 325 for about 18 minutes. And when it comes out of the oven, just go ahead and let it cool off a little bit. And while it is cooling off, you can go ahead and make the filling. The filling is so easy. And we're gonna add some eggs into a large bowl, room temperature eggs. I'm gonna add in a little bit of sugar to get it all nice and sweet because we want sweet and tart, okay? Sweet and tart. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up. Get a whisk. Don't fool with that blender, child. Don't fool with that mixer. Get a whisk. Okay, whisk it all up like this. And then we're gonna add in our lemon juice. Yes. Fresh lemon juice is the ticket, hunty. It's the ticket. Don't use that little yellow bottle. Don't use that. A fresh lemon. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. A little bit more vanilla extract because I love it to have a little faint vanilla taste with that lemon. Oh my God, it's so good. Next, I'm going to add in some pure lemon extract because I really want to bump up that lemon flavor. Okay, so go ahead and just whisk this around just like that. Okay, and next we're going to add in some lemon zest because, why not? Why not? Lemon zest is going in, and then we're going to add in a little bit of flour to kind of thicken things up a little bit, and that is pretty much it. Can you believe that? That is all that goes into that lemon filling, and when you guys taste this lemon filling, you're going to be like, oh my God, it's just like pure, fresh lemon flavor just for days. It's just crazy how bold the flavor is. Okay, so we're gonna pour our filling into our prepared crust, just like that. And now we're gonna bake it at 325 for about 25 to 30 minutes, just until that center is nice and set. Once it has cooled off, you can put it in the fridge if you want a firmer set, which I usually do. Then go ahead and remove from the pan. Remove that parchment paper and then just slice them on up right down the middle. Look how firm it is. I love a firm lemon bar. I don't like that soft. That soft watery stuff, I can't do that. It has to be nice and firm, okay? Nice and firm. All right, so I cut it in half. Now I'm gonna cut it in fourths, and then I'm gonna cut the fourths into fourths. That way I get nice, even little pieces. Make sure you clean your knife off after every little cut. And there it is, you guys. There it is. If you like a thicker filling, you can double the filling recipe. I like an even filling to crust ratio because a little bit of this lemon filling goes a long way. It's strong, it's sweet and tart and bold. So yeah, you might want to try it this way before you go doubling it because I doubled it last time and I was like, oh no, that's too much. But this way is perfect. Okay, now I'm going to dust it with powdered sugar. There's the inside, y'all. Look at that. And that crust is like crisp and it's chewy and it's perfect. Everything is just perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.